Hey guys, it's a LCD replacement. There we are. The screen's gone. Replace whole LCD. So first thing we do, heat the phone up. Once it's heated up, this is my hot plate. So yeah, flip it over. Use a blade. Stick it in there. This has all been opened before by someone else. So this is a piece of plastic. It's from a phone case packaging or back glass packaging. These things, just cut a little square out. They're amazing to take off the back glass with, so stick it in there. Even if it's broken, it'll come off quite easy, and it will also cut the ribbons quite easy too, so be careful as you're doing it. More time than not, you can just reuse the adhesive that's on here already when you're sticking it back down. So we take this off. Careful with the AD touch thingy. Yep, someone's replaced it before, so. Alright, because in this situation we're only replacing just the LCD. I'll see if I can take the phone off from here. Cool, it's going off, so. Yeah. So put it back on the hot plate. Hot! What you need to do is take off 1, 2, 3 screws. And loosen this one. Loosen this one as well. Or just take it off entirely, whichever is easier for you. And then you want to get a flathead screwdriver, which one of these, and just pick at it really. Try and get it up. It's embarrassing. Just lift that off like that. And then just disconnect this. Because we're doing this, we're going to be replacing the adhesive anyway. The phone didn't turn off, but it's alright. It's disconnected now. If you have other ways of doing it, feel free just let me know down in the comment below. If not, then yeah, this is how I do it. Since we're going to be replacing the adhesive anyway, so we just do the quick way. Stick a blade in there. Using your rib cage as a support also works quite well. Someone has stuck this down quite well. Real well. Always didn't heat up enough, so yeah. Here we are. We don't need this anymore. Spiff it out. clean up. Handy thing to have is a soft bristle brush, toothbrush. Also, double check with the air speaker as well, because sometimes that just gets quite clogged up for your customers. Clean those out. It's just a little bit of TLC, of goodwill thing. So to check, just take it off and hold it against the light, and you see lots of light coming through. You're all good. This one's fine. I like to clean these little plastic things off as well, just the water gasket sealant from the other screens. And just use your thumb and just run along the sides, clean off those the glue residue, or you can just use this like this. There's a flat screwdriver. Also be very mindful of the front facing camera as well. You don't want to destroy that. What you do is just more work. So let it heat up a bit more. While doing that, just get a microfiber cloth. Mine's a bit dirty at the moment, but it doesn't matter. And a little bit of alcohol. Good wiping. Do same for the back. Gunk. Wipe. Once it's done, wipe it, and then before you stick it on the adhesive, make sure it's clean and you don't touch it with your finger again. That one. Need these ones, so. Oh, still a bit dirty here. Last once over. Clean camera lens, you can use this OCA glue. You're really good at cleaning lens. You don't literally have to touch the lens at all. Just pick up any dust and any residue off of there for you. But yeah, so now we stick these on. with these one, I just like to do them one at a time. Some of you might just like to do them all both at once, but one at a time is more accurate, I find. There we are. So all you do now is grab your new screen, take out the bag. So from the looks of this one here, there is adhesive on there, so I don't want to add any more things to make things more complicated. So take off the green stickers. And just for peace of mind, water resistant wise, I always like to put a little bit of glue here. Here. Pretty much on all four corners, just to say, hey, water, stay away. And there's a really thin layer along the top there. That's about it. So now let's move it to the edge. Fit the screen through there. Line it up. Off you go. Yeah, it's off now because it's too hot. Now all we gotta do is put this back on, dig it in there. No, I don't. So now what are you gonna do? So yeah, so now we just stick give us a good clean, run the edges and stick the back on with the home button. And the back. Oh, don't know where we left the back cover. Right here. It's a ridiculous back cover, so I'm just going to glue this down. Yep. And that should keep the back cover down because it's not replacing the back glass anyway, so it's just this and Yeah, nah, not easier. Right, easier if you take the fingerprint scanner off. Right, I'm already committed. No, fuck it. Pardon the French. I've got lots of back covers here anyways, might as well make his day. And just replace it for him. Doesn't cost me an arm and a leg, but it'll make his day. I'm already replacing the back anyway, so yeah. And it's a goodwill too. They'll definitely come back to us. So cool. So I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna let the phone cool down a bit and turn it on and show you. Alright, cool. It's cooled down a bit. Turn it on. There we are. Quick way of replacing the screen and the back now. So yeah, hold up. Give me a like if you like. If you don't, either way, the don't like button, or comment what you think we should improve on. Thank you.